8. I'm going to do this little video on changing oil on the ZX10R. I've been running it hard and oil's looking dirty. I gave it the 600-mile break-in oil change. So I decided I'm going to change the oil before things get too busy. So yeah, we got a big ride coming up this weekend, and I want to get this taken care of. So let's see what I got here. Got the oil. I had to get this filter. The dealer was out at the Kawasaki filters, and I wanted the Kawasaki filter. They said this will not void warranty, and they say it's just as good. So I'm gonna try it. And since it's so low to the ground, I'm using the old antifreeze jug, catch the oil in, plus I'm gonna strain it. That way I'm gonna make sure that there's no foreign pieces of metal or particles that was in the oil and in the system. I'm getting a little bit of timing chain noise. It's got me a little bit of concern, so we'll see what's in there. But tools I'm gonna use: oil filter wrench, 17mm wrench, torque wrench, the owner's manual, which they have the torque specs in there. And I'm gonna try to knock this out in about 15 or 20 minutes. So let's get started at it. Okay, first thing I did was crank the engine up and let it warm. All right, I'm gonna take the oil plug out first. The oil plug is on the back side toward the tire, and if you have a catalytic converter on there, it'll be tucked in behind the catalytic converter, and oil filters on the opposite side near the header. So I'll show you that in a minute once I get ready to take it off. But crank the engine up, let it warm up, and make sure that you don't get burned. Use the proper safety crap and all, you know the deal. So let me set this camera down and get started. Yeah, we're still recording. Another thing that helps to have a swing arm stand. So all right, let's see if I can do this without spilling oil everywhere. I'm gonna have to get in the way of the camera just a little bit. Yeah, when you get your oil kit, get another crust washer for the drain plug. That all looks awful dark. I don't smell clutches, but usually they'll get dark from clutches. Kind of smells like a little bit of oil. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the crust washer or the seal, or you want to call it. They call it the crust washer. Take the old one off. Clean the plug. The new one. Slide it down. And reinstall the plug. Alright, plug's back in, seal's secure, and I'm going to torque it. And our manual tells you to torque it at 21 foot-pounds. So if your bike's on the stand, reach up and hold on to it to keep from tipping it over. But crap. Alright, I'm gonna look in the filter, the strainer, just see if there's any metal in it. And the more I look, it looks like there's clutch. Yeah, the grayish looking looks kind of like clutch material. But alright, we're gonna look here, see if there's any metal in it. I don't see any metal at all. So that looks good. All right, I'm happy with that. All right, time for the oil filter. And you can see the oil filter right here. All right, I'm gonna try to turn the camera sideways and show you. It'll be on the left side of the motorcycle toward the front. And there it is. And I'm gonna stick the camera back on the top side, look down in there. But the first time I changed it, the factory had it so tight I tore all the freaking crap getting it off. All right, this time I got it was able to break it loose with this filter wrench. It's a little bit big, but I'm gonna put it back on. Finished taking it off with this cup type. It takes 13 foot-pounds of torque, so let me get it off. And another handy thing, I was out of jugs, so I found this old light cover that used to be in the shop. So I'm gonna multi-purpose it and use it for an oil drain filter holder. And when we get through, I'm gonna cut the filter open and now we'll see if any metal's in it. Oh, it's awful black. Looks like clutches. The reason I'm suspecting clutch is at high RPMs. I've had a little jerking, and I thought I stripped out the front sprocket. And I took the cover off and checked it out. So the factory clutches just may not hold up to the tune that's on here. They got a little bit around 208 horsepower out of it. So that's what I'm thinking, it just wearing the clutches. So I'm gonna be able to get the ride out of it and just take it easy and go from there. God dang it, that's sharp. Yeah, be careful, that freaking filter house is sharp like a razor. Okay, on your new filter, you're gonna put a little bit of oil or Earl, put a little Earl around the seal. And let's see if I can get this on better than I got that plug in. Oh, right, dang it. Back start going sliding backwards a little bit. Click. Yeah. Okay, time to put the oil back in. Alright. On the right hand side, sitting on the motorcycle, is your fuel plug right in front of the, about 6 inches from the brake pedal. Drop that. Alright. I get a clean funnel. And it says it holds 3.9 quarts when you change the filter. Plus you have the sight glass on the side. I'm gonna fill it up to the top level, and I'll show you a close up of it in a few minutes. But fill up the top level, crank it up, let it build all pressure, shut it down, recheck it, and add it to bring it back to the top level on the sight glass. Since this is sponsored by Kawasaki, I'm just kidding, it's not. I'm gonna have my shout out. Once the warranty is up, I'll just get a better, different performance oil. Okay, we got the oil in. That's a little better shot of the filler. I see shot. Yeah, right there's your sight glass. I'm choking my dang self. But all right, I got it all the way in the sight glass. So I'm gonna crank it up and we'll see. Crank it up, run it, check for leaks, and then we'll finish filling the oil to where it needs to be. Well, crap. Well, we're still rolling. I'm gonna have to edit that crap out, but oh god dang it. I don't know how you can see it, but anyway, we got it to the top line of the sight glass, and oh god, my head. So the oil spoil, no leaks. I might go back and recheck the torque on that drain plug, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to look in some clutches. I doubt that it'd be covered on a warranty, but so cut this filter off, open, and see what's in it. Looks like we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, there's the element. Put a little bit of grit, but no metal. Yeah, it looks like it's got a little bit metallic, but yeah, I see a few little metal flakes in there. But nothing really bad. I've seen a lot worse. But you know, so I'm gonna end the video with this. You know, that's a good sign. No big chunks. A few little flakes. That could still be stuff left from the break-in. But anyway, so I get this oil off my hands. But thanks for hanging out with me here doing this oil change. And when I find out together, I'm gonna need a clutch. So as usually, YouTube, y'all have a very blessed day, and God bless all.